up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Boneyard Bassin'. It's windy out here. On the coast, we are doing some nighttime jetty fishing. Hold on. And now we're night fishing. I'm joined today by, Scott the Trout Hammer.
What up?
PK, although all I see is light. We got PDXFISHING, of course, and Northwest Fishing over there. Doing a bit of jetty fishing, kind of a cookout scenario, and we've already got one fish, little striped perch, and we're gonna keep going here. A few different setups. I'll run over there in a second. All right, guys, I know it might be a little hard to see here, but just take your sand shrimp, rip it in half, put one on one hook, got some stretchy string here, and just start wrapping that bad boy on there so you don't come flying off super easy. Just do a quick little overhand knot, cinch it down, pop it. And then on the other half of this sand shrimp, do the same thing, feed it in. Boom, take that stretchy string and just start wrapping her. Probably took my bait on that one. There ain't much left there. Yeah, you're right, probably 10 feet. I'm literally fishing just over the edge of these rocks. They're coming, I think they're coming out of the rock. There we go. Oh! Oh, no, he's on there.
Oh, noise hooked up.
Striped perch.
That's a striped perch.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's actually my first striped perch. Alright, guys. Here we are. Here we were.
Hey, obey for the camera.
Right, my very first striped perch. It's actually a really pretty fish.
Nice. Well done, man.
Where are you keeping these guys?
Us.
Okay, guys. Always be careful on these jetty rocks. Fuck.
I've not caught the smallest fish.
Monster. This thing is a toad. Dude.
Dude, put that in the fish tank.
This is bait, bro. The littlest freaking rockfish. Cool looking though. It's getting bigger, but it's still little. Getting bigger. These guys are cool looking though. And there's no explanation for this.
Are you jumping from there to there to here?
Dude, yeah, I didn't even do an outro last night. I guess let me sum up last night. We fished, we caught, we left and got salty about it. We got 2 hours of sleep in probably the last, what, easily 24 hours. Anyway, and then now we're gonna go do some sturgeon here. The only ones to survive all of the all-nighter trip, driving 4 hours, fishing for, you know what, 7 hours, and then sleeping for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Is good friends here. Northwest Fishing, PDX double. And honestly, one of the biggest goals for today is to get Mondo on his very first sturgeon.
Out there.